Welcome to Frontline News here. Today our topic is the day Earth stops spinning. The most mysterious places Google Map doesn't explain. Okay, we discuss our topic. Imagine waking up one morning and discovering that something impossible has happened. The Earth has stopped spinning for billions of years. Our planet has rotated continuously, creating day and night, controlling weather patterns and shaping life itself. Yet, what if that movement suddenly came to an end? What would happen to humanity, our cities, our oceans, and every living thing on Earth? At first, many people might not even realize what has happened. The ground beneath their feet would seem normal for a brief moment, but the reality would be far more terrifying than anyone could imagine. The Earth spins at incredible speeds. At the equator, the surface moves at roughly 1000 miles per hour. Even though we do not feel this motion, we are constantly traveling at astonishing speed through space. If the Earth suddenly stopped spinning while the atmosphere continued moving, the result would be catastrophic. Wind faster than the speed of sound would sweep across the planet, destroying buildings, forests, bridges, and entire cities. Anything not firmly anchored could be thrown through the air. The force would be unlike any hurricane ever recorded. Human civilization would face destruction within hours. Massive ocean would continue moving because the momentum creating gigantic mega tsunamis thousands of feet high. These walls of water would crash into continents, erasing coastal cities and reshaping entire landscape. Countries located near the ocean would suffer unimaginable devastations. Millions could perish before understanding what was happening. The atmospheric itself would become one of the greatest threats. Air masses moving at incredible speed would generate heat, friction, and storms beyond anything in recorded history. Dust, debris, and fragments of structure would fill the sky, making survival extremely difficult. Many regions could become nearly uninhabitable. The Earth stopping would also transform the length of a day. Currently, a full rotation takes 24 hours. If the planet stopped spinning but continued orbiting the sun, a single day would last an entire year. Half of the planet would face 6 months of continuous daylight, while the other half would experience 6 months of darkness. Imagine standing in a place where the sun never set for months. Temperature would rise to extreme level, river could dry up, and vegetation would struggle to survive, and deserts would expand across vast region. The constant sunlight would create heat unlike anything humans have experienced. On the opposite side of planet, darkness would dominate for 6 months. Temperature would plunge far below freezing. Snow and ice would cover enormous areas. Ocean nears these regions could be freezing, creating entirely new environmental challenges. Food production would collapse and millions would struggle to survive. Scientists believe only narrow regions between the permanent day side and night side might remain habitable. These twilight zones would become humanity's last refuge. Governments would likely race to relocate population into this region, triggering the largest migration in human history. Agriculture would face total disruption. Crops depend on predictable cycles of daylight and darkness without normal season and daily rhythms for system could collapse. Global shortage would emerge rapidly, causing panic and competition for resources. Electricity infrastructure, transportation network, and communication system would also suffer. Massive weather change and environmental instability could destroy critical facilities. Many technologies people rely on every day might stop functioning, leaving communities isolated. Animal will be affected just as severely. Many species navigate, migrate, hunt, and reproduce based on Earth's natural cycles. Birds, seas, creatures, insects, and mammals would struggle to adopt ecosystem around the world could collapse, causing widespread extinctions. human health would face new challenges. Continuous sunlight or endless darkness can affect sleep, hormones, mental health, and physical well being. Entire population would need to adapt to conditions never before experienced in human history. Fortunately, scientists believe such as event in extremely unlikely. The Earth possesses enormous rotational momentum, and there is no now natural process capable for instantly stopping it. Yet, imagining this season and every weather pattern depends on the steady rotations of our planet. Now imagine a different mystery, one that exists not in a hypothetical future but in a real world today. A mystery hidden within satellite image maps and remote locations secreted across the global, places visible on map yet difficult to explain, places that continue to spark curiosity, theories, and endless questions. Google Map has become one of the most powerful tools ever created, allowing people to explore mountains, desert, forests, oceans, and cities from anywhere in our world. Yet, among billions of images, there are locations that remain mysterious. Some appear strange, some seem impossible, other raises questions that no one has fully answered. One of the most famous examples is a strange structure hidden deep within the desert of China. Satellite images reveal massive geometric patterns stretching across the landscape. Some believe these patterns are military testing areas, others suggest they are calibration targets for satellite. While experts have proposed explanation, the true purpose behind some formations remains debated. Other mysterious location is an isolated island in the Indian Ocean, now as a North Central Iceland, home to one of the world's most isolated tribes. The island remain largely untouched by modern civilization. Very little is now about the daily lives of its inhabitants because outside contact is extremely limited. The mystery surrounding the island continues to fascinate researchers and explorers around the world. Deep with the Pacific Ocean, satellite imagery has revealed unusual formation beneath the water. Some resemble road structures and geometric pattern, leading some people to speculate about lost civilization, underwater cities, or ancient settlement. While scientists often attribute these features to mapping artifacts and natural formation, the mystery continues attracting attention online. In Antarctica, numerous unusual shapes have been identified through satellite imagery. Some resemble entrance tunnels or hidden structure buried beneath the ice. Some more scientists explain these features as natural geological formation created by winds, erosion, and shifting ice. Yet conspiracy theories continue, claiming they could hide secret facilities unknown to the public. The Sahara Desert also contains unexplained pattern visible from space. Circular formation, giant rings, and unusual geometric shapes have puzzled observers for years. One of the most famous is now as the Eye of the Sahara, a massive circular structure so large it can be seen from orbit. Scientists believe it formed through natural geological processes, but its appearance continues to inspire theories about lost civilization and ancient mysteries. There are forests around the world where strange clearings appear in a perfect shape, visible from satellite images. Some seems almost unnatural. Researchers often explain them through longing activities, environmental factors, or agriculture history, yet certain locations remain difficult to interrupt without local investigation. The ocean holds perhaps the greatest mystery of all. More than 80% of the ocean remains unexplored, hidden beneath waste depth could be geological wonders, unknown species, and secrets humanity have never discovered. Satellite technology provide glimpses, but many questions remain unanswered. In remote desert, strange symbols and giant drawing now as geolophies some can sometimes be seen only from above. Some were created thousands of years ago by ancient civilization. Their purposes remain debated, where the religion, symbols, astronomical marker, message, or something else entirely. The answer remain uncertain. Ab- Abandoned military installations also appear on maps across different countries. Some are remnants of Cold War programs, while others have histories that remain classified. Their isolated location and restricted access fuel curiosity among people searching for hidden stories behind forgotten structure. Dense jungles conceal countless ruins that have yet be fully explored. Advance in satellite imaging and LiDAR technology continue revealing ancient cities hidden beneath vegetation. Entire civilization once thought lost are gradually emerging from the shadow, challenging previous understanding of history. In some regions, unusual shadow, strange shapes, and unexpected patterns appear in imagery, leading to speculation online. Sometimes these mysteries have simple explanation related to image processing or natural terrain. Other times they remain unsolved for years, generating endless discussion among curious observers. Human beings are naturally drawn mysterious. We want explanation, we want answer, we want to understand what lies beyond the now world. Whether imagining the earth suddenly stop its rotation or exploring unexplained location visible from space, or curiosity pushes us to ask questions and seek knowledge. The modern world may seem fully mapped and understood, yet countless mysteries remain hidden across our planet. Every year, researchers discover new species, ancient ruins, geological formation, and historical evidence that change our understanding of the world around every corner. There may be other secret waiting to be uncovered. Perhaps that is what makes these subjects of fascinating. They remind us that despite our technology, despite our knowledge, and despite centuries of exploration, there are still things we do not fully understand. The earth continues to surprise us, revealing new wonder and new mysteries with each passing year. Whether considering the catastrophic consequences of a world without rotation or investigating strange location visible from satellites, one truth remains clear: our planet is far more extraordinary than most people realize. It is a place filled with incredible forces, hidden histories, and unanswered questions. And somewhere right now, in a remote desert beneath an icy landscape, deep under the ocean or hidden within a dense forest, there may be a mystery waiting for someone to uncover it. A mystery that could change the way we see our world forever, and remind us that the greatest discoveries are often that ones we least accept to find. I hope you like my video. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel, comment it, share it, and support me. We'll meet in the next video, inshallah.